Newborns have an incredible need for sleep. In fact, they sleep a whopping 16 to 17 hours a day. It's an essential part of their growth and development. Now, let's dive into some tips that can help improve your baby's sleep. First, naps are essential. Ensure that your baby doesn't sleep for too long during the day. Daytime naps shouldn't interfere with nighttime sleep. Teach your baby to distinguish between day and night. Keep daytime surroundings brighter and more active, while nighttime should be dimly lit and peaceful. Learn to recognize the signs of sleepiness. Yawning, rubbing their eyes, and fussiness are cues that it's time for a nap. Swaddling can be incredibly comforting to your baby. It mimics the snug feeling of the womb and can promote better sleep. Soft, soothing sounds like gentle lullabies or white noise can help create a calming sleep environment. A helpful technique is putting your baby to sleep when they are drowsy but still awake. This encourages them to self-soothe and fall asleep independently. Parenting a newborn can be challenging, but staying patient and consistent with sleep routines will pay off in the long run. Always remember, if you have any concerns about your baby's sleep or overall health, don't hesitate to talk to your child's family doctor. They can provide guidance tailored to your baby's specific needs. In conclusion, helping your baby sleep better during the first 3 months is all about establishing a routine, creating a comfortable sleep environment, and being patient and consistent. As your baby grows, their sleep patterns will change, but these fundamental tips will always come in handy. Thank you for watching. We hope these tips will help you and your baby enjoy peaceful, restful nights. Sweet dreams!